I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at my Four Moms Pack and Play. And clearly, as you can see, it's for dads as well. So this is the Four Moms Pack and Play. It's big. It's very sturdy. It's a good play yard for your kid to hang out in. When you first get it, you can also use it as a combined sleeper, like a bassinet style sleeper and changer. It comes with an insert that goes in here that turns it into that. And then as your kid gets a bit bigger, like mine has, you remove that and you end up with this really nice play yard here. So you can see this one is full of toys. It's being used presently as a play space. It's got a mattress at the bottom where you can change out the sheet. So as things get spilled or dirty, you can go ahead and change that, which is really helpful. If you removed all the toys from here, you can use it as a crib, basically a travel crib, or even a crib in a small space if you needed to for your main one. And you can have them sleep. It's a solid mattress. Obviously, you can remove the toys, but it's a good space for safely sleeping as long as you put them down on their back. So that's really helpful. The whole thing does fold up relatively readily, so you can take this along if you travel, and it does come with a travel bag that you can put this into to be able to carry it along with the mattress and everything. So it works great as a travel crib or just a play yard if you need a safe place to put your kid in a hotel or wherever you are. I've also added to it this accessory tray. Normally you would probably, with a younger baby, put this on the outside, so it mounts over top just with these little clips. So you normally put this on the outside and then use it to store, changing supplies, diapers and bottles and wipes and that kind of thing. Now that my kid is a little bit bigger, I've moved it to the inside, and they like to put toys in the top, as you can see here. But it does have this diaper storage area down at the bottom if you want to use that when they're a little bit younger on the outside of the Pack and Play. I really like the quality on this. I've had this one for 2 kids now, and it's held up really well. I think it's a better quality than some of the other ones on the market. And it just feels like a bigger space. So the way that it's designed, these sides slope in a little bit. It's got this nice solid mesh so that there's airflow and they can look out. So it doesn't feel as constrictive, but they're able to still play safely in there. And it's tall enough, I've found, that you can definitely have a kid play in there and kind of pull themselves up on the sides and have a safe place to contain them and have them hang out. So I think this is the best play yard on the market now. I really love the Four Moms Pack and Play or play yard, and I like that you can get different sheets and things to swap out on the inside here, so it's easy to clean it up too. And you can see that, again, even though I've used this for 2 kids now, it's in great shape. Nothing's really been sort of worn down, and it's easy enough to clean that it stays pretty clean, even if it is a bit cluttered in there right now. So that's a really great option if you're looking for a Pack and Play or play yard.